Alright, so good day mga ka-fatboy. So meron tayo dito ngayong Rosie na Cafe Racer inspired. Now, si Sir gusto niya magpa-customize ng kanyang magiging Cafe Racer. So pinaputol niya yung kanyang tapalodo and then settled in for a much cleaner look on this one. So of course, pag nag-customize tayo, pati ang kanyang wirings isinasaayos natin para magandang tignan. He also opted for a pannier bracket, no? Para pag nilagay niya yung kanyang bag, maganda pa rin tignan, no? So on this one, we have customized a rear end for this bike. You would see there, no? Rosie. Okay, this is a 250cc na Rosie. Now, on this, you would see yung ating customization. Okay, pinatabas niya kasi yung frame sa likod, and then nagpa-cafe racer look, and then customize yung kanyang tail light na integrated na rin yung kanyang signals. Okay, tapos yung bracket niya na yan, inayos natin, nilagyan natin ng rear mudguard para mas magandang tignan. Okay, classic retro look with a stylish of a new Cafe Racer. Okay, so this one, yan, kitang-kita na yung kanya integrated lights. Testing it. So, Fatboy Custom. Thank you for watching.